Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, I have six bolos for you guys. Items to be on the lookout for, items you can buy low and sell high. Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. This is a little 7-part mini series that I am doing. I am featuring 5 members of my Bolo Buddies YouTube channel. And if you're interested in joining that, this is a bonus video. I typically, if you join, it's $4.99 a month, and you get to be featured in a video once a month. This is a bonus. Well, so far, I have done a bonus video every month. So I thought this would be fun. So the 6th item is going to be sold on eBay by a Goodwill store. So I don't know if you guys know, but there are a bunch of eBay stores that are actually Goodwills. Okay. So on my main channel, my Bolo Buddies channel, I do have videos where I feature those Goodwills. So if you search Goodwill on my main channel, I've got some Bolo videos for you. So go check that out to see what they're selling for big money, what is not sitting in the Goodwill store. Bummer. All right, you guys. So I'm going to show you 5 channels or eBay stores real quick. And if you want to learn more about them, they will be linked down in the description of the video. I'm not going to do a whole lot on it. This is going to be a quick, short video. So they're linked down below. Check them out. And then I'm going to show you the 6 items. While I'm doing that, be thinking about which item you think was sold by the Goodwill on eBay. All right, you guys. And put that down in the comments. We will have a brief intermission. I'm going to show you my trailer, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you all 6 items. I'm going to tell you which one was the Goodwill. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for if it was a featured member. All right, you guys, let's get started. All right, so the first person here is Horse and Hair Curiosity Shop, and they do not have a YouTube channel, but they have one of the most amazing eBay stores I've ever seen. So check that out down below. The next item is from, or nope, I'm sorry. I'm thinking of my featured members video. I'm getting a little ahead of myself here. The next person is Money Making Mama, and she does something really unique. So check out her channel to learn more about that. And Franklin Hill Ventures, also, he does booths and he sells on multiple platforms. So that is his extra. Be carried away. I always tell you, she is like the queen of keywords. She is amazing. Check her out. And we've got Chosen Goods Reseller, who is almost to 1K. So make sure you guys go and subscribe to her. She has a fantastic live show where she interviews another reseller on Thursdays. So check her out for that. All right, you guys, are you ready to see these fantastic bolos? We've got 6 of them, and I'm going to share them with you right now. The first item is this original set of Anchor Foxfire books. 1 through 9 sold for $160, free shipping on Mercari. The next item is this Johnson's Baby Soothing Vapor Bath. It is new and sealed. It's a discontinued product. This sold for $19.92 plus shipping. And you can see here they showed that it was still sealed. The next item is Glassy Baby. I featured this in another video and I accidentally said Glass Baby, so I apologize. I do believe it is Glassy Baby, and I think that's probably, or no, wait. Yeah, that's probably why I said it wrong. I wonder if it was wrong in the other video. Glass Baby. I think it's Glassy Baby. All right, you guys. So this sold on auction for $86.99 plus shipping. The next item is this Macy's Marchonius. I don't know. It's a straw purse. Let's just call it that. Pretty cool item. It sold for $58 on Poshmark. The next item, oh, that's kind of a giveaway that it's not the eBay one, right? Oh, womp, kind of messed that up. Well, I guess you only have to figure it out from 3 because one was Mercari also. First time doing this, didn't think it through. Okay, Steinbach Wooden Forest Nativity Music Box. Very, very cool. Sold for $145 plus shipping. And the last item is this Vaseline Intensive Care Body Healing Lotion. And this lot of 7 sold for $64.99. All right, you guys, here is my trailer. And when we come back, I'm going to tell you which item was sold by the Goodwill and what the other items were, where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. So go ahead down to the comments and guess which item you think the Goodwill sold. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Reseller, $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. All right, we are back. All right, so the first item is not an eBay item. So obviously this was sold by a featured member. Kind of messed that up. But anyway, he picked these up at an estate sale for $70. He knew that it was a good find and that he could flip them for a profit. And he ended up selling these for $160 with free shipping. The next item is this Johnson's Baby Soothing Vapor. Again, discontinued. This came from a yard sale for I'm sorry, you guys. This was Franklin Hill Ventures. This came from a yard sale for 25 cents. Took a best offer of $16 plus shipping, and it's a vapor bath. It's discontinued. You guys always want to look for discontinued products because they bring good money because people are looking for them. This one was sold by Chosen Goods Reseller, and the reason I picked it is because I think it's really important to check those barcodes because some of them may surprise you. All right, you guys, this is the Goodwill item. So this Goodwill actually sells a lot of Glassy Baby, and I'm pretty sure it is Glassy Baby. Let me check here. Yes, so they forgot the Y. So a little tip, maybe check eBay for Glass Baby, and you may be able to snag one of these cheaper, because these are trending right now, and some of them are going for hundreds of dollars, big money. This one only went for $86.99 plus shipping, and I'm wondering if it was because of the spelling error. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but this is definitely a Bolo. This one was sold on Poshmark, so obviously it was not the Goodwill. This was sold by Be Carried Away. This she picked up at the Salvation Army for $3.99, and she sold it for $58 on Poshmark. This Steinbach Wooden Forest Nativity Music Box was sold by Horsehair Curiosity Shop, and she again has the amazing eBay store that's linked down below. She got this at an estate sale for $12, and she sold it for $145 plus shipping. And if you watch my other channel and you watch the featured members video, Money Making Mama is like the queen of finding these items at dirt cheap. She lots them up and she makes great money on them. She paid approximately $2 each for these and took oops, I'm on the wrong one. I'm sorry. $2.25 each for these and sold them for $64.99 plus shipping. So if you want to learn more about how she does that, you can definitely check out her channel. All right, you guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Again, if you want to join memberships, it's over on my Bolo Buddies channel. There's a link in every video. I think it's linked down in this too, but it's for my other channel. Again, my channel's free. If you want to share a Bolo for free, I do share the Bolos in videos from my Facebook group under the announcements featured section. You do not get a shout out. Like I'm showing here, I do shout outs. You have to be a member for that. But if you just want to share a Bolo and see your item in a video, you can definitely go over to my Facebook group and do that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and drop me an emoji in the comments of a hat. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.